Item 3, MP38, the Energy Meridians Restoration Room. Allow the angels to heal and restore your energy meridians, pathways, as well as the energies of your internal organs. This complete energy tune-up will leave you with the feeling of being energized and ready to invest your energy into your beautiful creative projects of the day. It's best to visit this healing room in the first part of the day. Let me start with a prayer for you. Dear Creator of all that is, I am asking you today to bless this healing space, the space of harmony, beauty, and kindness. This visitor to this sacred place is your child. They are always connected with you. They always feel your love, your light, your wisdom, and your harmony. Please create a safe place for them today. Bless them with your love. Bless them with your light, with your perfection, and with your eternal youth. Protect this healing space with your golden cupola, filled with your incredible divine light, your love and your radiance. Let the brilliance of your presence leave its glow on them, on their body, their emotions, and their thoughts. Bring your cleansing angels to gently cleanse their body while healing, and protect them from the lower vibrations and negativities of the day. Dear Creator of all that is, thank you for your love. Thank you for your light. Thank you for taking care of them, for always guiding them, and for always being with them in their life. Now please lie down on your bed, close your eyes, and start breathing deeply. With each breath, your breathing becomes calmer and calmer. Each breath takes you deeper and deeper into a worry-free state, in a state of deep healing and complete rejuvenation of your body. Relax your body completely from your toes to the top of your head. Accept the energies of peace, harmony, and beauty of the universe. Accept the energies of the Creator of all that is, who is expressing himself through your body. You can follow this healing by following the energy pathways the angels are working on, or just by relaxing, accepting the energies, and letting your mind rest. Let the tension leave you as you start seeing or feeling light, a golden brilliant presence of the Creator of all that is. Let you feel loved, protected, guided, and always in the hands of the Creator of all that is. Soak in this light, bathe in it. Let it penetrate deep into your body. Dear God, Creator of all that is, fill them with your light. Fill them with your love. Let them feel that they are your precious children and part of your life. Fill them with your divine presence. Let them bathe in its soothing waves. Fill them with your strength, your resilience. Let them express your energy flow into this world. Now let this brilliant golden flow go through your body, flowing deeper and deeper into all your cells. This flow fills your entire body and spills over into your energy bodies, filling in your whole aura. You become a temple of the Creator, whose life and your life merge as one. Allow the angels to heal and restore your energy meridians, pathways, as well as the energies of your internal organs. This complete energy tune-up will leave you with a feeling of being energized and ready for the day. I invoke the angels for the energy meridians restoration, for the organs restorations, for those who give the body complete tune-up to show up right now in this healing space. Serve this child of God. Bring their energy body, energy pathways, meridians, and internal organs to their best energetic functioning. And we will start with the lungs and follow the biological rhythm of the body. Restore the energies of the lung channel, generating in the middle of the stomach area. Penetrating the lung, up to the throat, and down along inside of the arm to the thumb. Please restore and rejuvenate the lung channel. Serve this child of God. Work with this child of God. Restore the energies of the large intestine channel from the tip of the index finger up along the lateral aspect of the forearm to the shoulder joint. Behind the shoulder and up along the neck to the lower gums and to both sides of the nose. Serve this child of God. Restore the energies of the large intestine channel. Restore both lungs and large intestine organs. Serve this child of God. Work with the energies. Restore lower gums and teeth. Now let's move on to the stomach channel. Please, dear angels, restore the stomach channel, starting from both sides of the nose up to the eye. Restore the eyesight. Work on the eyesight of this person. Travel down along the neck and the side of the chest. Now along the stomach and then down along the lateral side of the leg to the tip of the second toe. Restore the whole channel. Restore the energies of the whole channel. Heal the stomach. Put your hands on the stomach of this person. Heal the whole channel. Touch the point of eternal youth on this channel below your kneecap on the lateral side of the leg. Work with this channel. Work with this point. Now we are moving on to the spleen channel. Dear angels, restore the whole spleen channel from the tip of the big toe up along the medial side of the foot and up the internal side of the leg. Heal the knees. Up the torso, heal the stomach, heal the spleen. Up to the clavicle, and down along the sides of the body. Restore the whole channel. Heal the energy pathway. Now we are moving on to the heart channel. Restore the heart channel starting from the heart, connecting to the lungs, along the interior of the arm down to the little finger. Feel it in your little finger. And another branch goes from the heart up along the neck and to the tissues surrounding the eye. Restore the eyesight. Work on the eyes. Restore the small intestine channel from the tip of the little finger up the arm and heal the whole shoulder at the back, up the neck to the eye, healing the eyesight. Heal the small intestine of this person, heal the heart. Restore the bladder channel from the inner side of the eye up to the top of the head and down along the whole spine to the middle of the back side of the leg and along the foot to the fifth toe. Heal the kidneys, heal the bladder. Work with this person, serve this person. Restore the kidney channel from beneath the little toe, the sole of the foot, along the medial side of the leg, along the torso to the clavicle. Heal the kidneys, heal the bladder. Heal the pericardium channel from the center of the chest, over the axilla, and along the medial aspect of the arm to the middle finger. Heal the pericardium. Heal the Sanjiao channel from the tip of the ring finger up the posterior aspect of the arm to the back of the neck and around the ear. Heal the hearing of this person. Heal the energies of the temples. Now let's move on to the gallbladder channel. Dear angels, work, restore the channel starting from the outer canthus of the eye and around the ear. Heal the ear, heal the hearing of the person. Along the sides of the head, back of the head, and down along the side of the body, down the outer side of the leg to the tip of the fourth toe. Heal the gallbladder and liver energies. Now please, dear angels, restore and heal the liver channel, starting at the big toe, and heal along the inside of the leg, up the thigh, up the torso, and connect to the liver. Now there are two extraordinary channels. The first one, the conception vessel, is at the front of the body, and the governing vessel is at the back of the body. So let's heal the conception vessel at the front of the body. That's the midline of the body. Dear angels, heal the female organs and the midline of the body, at the front of the body. Heal the male organs. Let's heal the governing vessel. Heal the whole midline of the back. All the vertebrae, up the neck, to the midline of the head. Heal the whole vertical line of the body and strengthen all internal organs. And the last one is the girdling vessel. Heal the horizontal vessel of the body, which circles around the body, below your waistline. Heal the female and male sexual dysfunctions. Serve this person, heal this person. And as a final touch, dear angels, tune up the whole body, the energy pathways of the whole body. Harmonize them. Let the organs and tissues be healed. Let the energy pathways be healed. Let the energy of the whole body be tuned up completely to the perfection and love of the Creator of all that is. And I am sending you love and gratitude. Blessings. Thank you for your healing, dear angels. the creator of all that is. Please stay with this healing a little bit longer as the angels are still working on your energy meridians, your energy pathways. Restoring them back to normal, to the divine norm of the creator of all that is. To your divine energy blueprint. Dear angels, serve these people until the process is complete.